Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to register your keys at BRE from NEQUI. This allows you to link your NEQUI account to BRE, making transfers and payments faster and more secure. Let's get started. First, open the BRE app. Log in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. Next, go to the Keys or Linked Accounts section. Look for options like Add Bank Account or Register Keys to begin the linking process. Then, select NEQUI as your bank. Choose the type of key you want to register, such as your phone number, email, or identification number associated with NEQUI. After that, enter your NEQUI key details. Type in the required information accurately and double-check it to avoid mistakes. Next, confirm your registration. BRE may send a verification code via SMS or email. Enter this code in the app to confirm the link. Finally, verify your linked NEQUI key. Once confirmed, your NEQUI key will be registered in BRE, allowing you to send and receive money quickly and securely. Quick tips. Ensure your NEQUI account is active and verified before registering. Double-check the key information to prevent failed transfers. Keep your BRE app updated for the latest features and security. Registering your NEQUI keys in BRE is simple and ensures smoother financial transactions when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.